Today we are going to discuss about the Scratch repetition. That means it also controls structure. Last day we discussed only the repeat some certain amount of turn. So last day we did repeating 10 times, same object again and again, same command repeating 10 times. We have already discussed. So today we are going to discuss repeat until. So we are giving some kind of condition. Until it's satisfied, we are going to complete the statement task. Okay, so until the given condition satisfied, this program is going to repeat the instruction. So once it achieves the target, then it will stop the repetition. I will do this one with you all again. Last day also I sent it. Never mind. So now look at when flag click. So the user is going to click starting flag. That time we have set A into 1. What is set A? A means the variable. So we are defining variable. The value of variable is going to assign into 1. So what do you mean by variable? Variables are temporary data storages. It is not going to hold the data permanently. So it is just a temporary data storage. Until this execution is keep on running, that means on this first stage, it will assign the value as 1. But when it's come inside the repeat until loop, after it come inside, see what is happening. Say A. That means displaying the value A for the user. And wait 1 second. Waiting 1 second. Then what is happening? Change A by 1. Change A by 1 means we are going to add 1 to the A. That means A equal A plus 1. Okay, so that automatically we are going to add 1 to A. Okay, so change A by 1. That means A is going to increment by 1. In the beginning, A was what? A is equal to 1. So A was 1. So now what happened? So A plus 1 is coming this place. Then it is equal to 2. So the value 2 is going to take here again and check whether 2 is greater than 5 years or no. What we have to do? It is no. So A is not greater than 5. Therefore, it is coming inside. Then say A. So displaying the value A, that is 2. Wait 1 second. Change A by 1. That is, then A is become 3. Okay. So now again, check whether that A is greater than 5. Is A is greater than 5? A is not greater than 5. Therefore, it is again coming inside and check whether the value is, it is not greater than 5. Then displaying the value A. Wait 1 second. Change A by 1. Add another value to the A. Okay, so like it is keep on repeating. Okay, so shall we do this one now? Okay, I think you have already done it. If not, never mind. Do it again, those who have done or not, because I have given only the recording. I couldn't check it. Quickly do this one and send me the print screen of the practical. I'm also doing that. I'll show the practical for you. Last day we discussed greater than 20. So today we are going to do the greater than 5 until greater than 5. Okay. So we'll start it now. Those who don't have installed the Scratch, you can access the Scratch from internet. That means there is a Scratch online site. Okay. So you can take it from, I just show you. This one, Scratch MIT EDU. Then you can move to the create. Click on the create. And then you will get the online, but some code of the line tool is not working in the latest one. That means the book, we have the old version. So only that part you will have issue. Other than that, you can use online one as well. Okay. I'll do it with you. Okay, first you have to assign the variable for that also. Take the starting flag. Then A equal to set A. Do you know how to do that? Or do I want to do with you? Okay, I'll do it from the beginning then. Take the starting flag. Then go to the variables. Set variable. I have already done it. That's what I have the variable A. Click on make variable. Give A here. And then give OK. Okay, so then you will get this one. Then set A into 1. Arrange it as 1. Okay, then repeat until. Repeat until mean what? That is a control structure. So control structure, repeat is there. We are going to take the repeat until. Okay, so repeat until what we need. We are going to check whether the value is greater than 5. So we are going to check the operator, this one, and we are going to insert the variable A into that. Okay, and the value should be 5. Drag and drop this into the until, and we are going to say the value of that. Okay, try to do up to this one. So we are going to say the value A with the help of variable. Variable is A. Then we want to wait 1 second. From the event, take the wait and ask to wait 1 second. Then change A by 1. That means we are incrementing the value by 1. Okay. It will end up 5. It can't go further. Why? The value should be, that means we are going to take until greater than 5. Okay. So it is going to stop when it's come to the 5. When it's come to 6, it will stop. It will take the 5 and stop when it reach to the 6. It is not going to take the 6 inside. Okay. So create your practical and send me the print screens. Okay, so we are going to draw the flow chart and Python program for that practical. So now see, create Scratch program to increment variable A from 1 to 5. So we are going to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 using the repeat until and draw the flow chart. So I use the term variable. The reason is when you come to upper classes, you will get to know the number mean temporary. If you store some value for the particular number, we call it as a variable. Okay, just to I know that I just explain it. Okay, so how we are going to draw this one as a flowchart? We are going to repeat until it satisfies what? It satisfies, that means it should be great. We are going to stop when it is greater than 5. Okay, so the repetition is happening 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even though it increment by 1 and come to 6, it is not going to display for the user. Okay, so it is not displaying to the user. It will end up at the 5. So that's what we are going to draw now. Okay, shall you all try it? What are the starting symbol? We are normally using flowcharts with the oval shape. Okay, everyone start now drawing that. Okay, so starting we are drawing oval shape, ending also we are drawing in oval shape. A equal to 1, that is a process. We initialize the variable A by 1. So we are doing some, we mention it as a process. Now we are checking is A is greater than 5. So if the A is greater than 5, if it is true, we are going to stop it. That means our output is going to end up when it's greater than 5. That means up to 5, we will get the value. So here, if it is false, if the value is not greater than 5, means lesser than 5. That means false side. Output, we are going to display as A. That means display A. Instead of output, you can write the display A. Then A, we are going to add by 1. That means increment by 1. We call this one as increment. Add another value to the previous A. So A was 1. Add another one, it becoming 2. Then it is again check with this decision box. Then check whether greater than 5. No. Print number 2. Add another one, number 3. Check with greater than 5. No, false. Then display 3. Add another one, 4. So 4 also lesser than 5, false side. Then print, output 4. Add another one, 5. 5 is greater than 5. No, display the output 5. Now look at this one. Display the output 5. Then 5 equals 1, that means A is equal to 5 plus 1. It is becoming 6. Okay, in this place, it will become 6. And check is 6 greater than 5. Okay, is 6 greater than 5? Yes. Then end the program. Okay, now that means 6 also. Check with this one. Is 6 greater than 5? Yes, it is going to end up. So this repetition is happening until the variable value is greater than 5 only. So if when it satisfies greater than 5, it will end up. Okay. Okay, today your question number 2 is create a Scratch program to increment variable B from 10. That means you are going to start in from 10 and going to end up at 15 using repeat until loop. That means increment by 1. Okay, you are going to add 1 by 1. Increment by 1. Okay. Okay, so first we'll draw the flow chart. Quick, normally as a software engineer or programmer or software developer, what is the first stage in doing the softwares? They are not straight away going to start the program. Keep in mind. So good software engineer starting from the flowchart, okay, and pseudocode. That means first stage of the programming language. That if you think you are a software engineer, okay, you have huge amount of softwares to develop. What is your initial stage? First stage, you have to start from the flowchart. Okay, don't try to create the program before drawing the flowchart. First step of the developing software is draw the flowchart. Okay, so by looking at only we are going to develop the program. So now what is the variable? our first variable is b. Okay, b is going to equal what? The value is 10. Okay, is b is greater than what? We are going to check whether the b is greater than 15. Okay, if it is true, going to stop it, end. Then output, that means display b. We are going to increment by 1. That means b equal b plus 1. Is this clear? We are increment values from 10 to 15. Increment by 1. So output should come with 1. Sorry, output should come with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. It should end up at 15. Okay. So now we are going to draw the scratch. So before that, everyone copy this flow chart. Try to draw it along.